Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can upload manually bank statements on MyT. To upload bank statement, we need to go to banking. Here we need to go to import data. First note, please download sample either Excel and CSV and align your bank statement as per headers advised from MyT. Once you have aligned, choose file. In my case, I have MyT bank statement. Okay. And click on import Excel or CSV file. Here, I need to align system fields. So this one says MyT account fields, and file fields are the ones which I have uploaded from my statement. So type, I can add type, matching with type, date with date, net is balance, and total is a value of the lines in my case. Analysis account and analysis ledger will be, if there was outgoing amounts, I will need to allocate. Reference number, I will say that it's the same as description, and details include description as well. And I have no VAT. So once you have mapped, click map fields and read data. Now these data are read and mapped below. So firstly, there is bank transfer of £100 and type is incorrectly read from my statement. So I can amend. So I will put pay. That one is a payment, so first 3 letters of payment. On 27th, correct bank transfer, and it was £100. And I can select from drop-down list that this was transfer between banks, and it's also coming out from my business account into credit card account. And once I'm happy with this line, click save. We can still edit and we can delete. Next one, I have money spent in online shop. This is payment, 150, and it is expense or costs of sales. Decide which one it goes to. In my case, it was costs of sales, and it was for cleaning liquids in my case. And click save. So that line is confirmed as well. Next one, this is correct. Is received. So first letters from received is REC, which is correct. Alex Smith, 250 paid, and it is income indeed, and it is cleaning services. Okay, save, that's fine. Next one, 500 from office, cleaning services, that's fine. So we need to go through every single line and reconcile. So there are 2 payments. So payment coming out, 35. Expense, and it is telephone and fax. And next one is payment as well, and it's bank fees of £10. Okay, digits, £10, and it's expense, and it is bank charges, and save. We'll delete empty rows added by system. I do not need those. So I have 6 record lines, and click import transactions. So there is pop-up message advising that import file has been complete. When I go to banking ledger and click on my business account, I can see all receipts and all payments here. So if you need to adjust or amend, you can click on every single transaction, for example phone limited, and you can edit this transaction by clicking edit or also delete. So in this episode, I showed you how you can upload manually bank statement on MyT software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to MyT tutorial and also review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.